back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to crochet a bandana. So this is what I am using. I am using a milk cotton yarn. So this is a 4-ply milk cotton yarn, and it can be purchased in my TikTok shop. I will put the link on the description below if you're interested how to crochet. So the materials are in my TikTok shop. So we will start now. So let's make a 4 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, and we will lock this one with a slip stitch. So make 4 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then insert the hook into the circle and make a double crochet. So we will make another 2 double crochet. And then chain 2 and make a double crochet, insert the hook into the circle, and we are going to make 3 double crochet. Make a chain 1 and then make a double crochet, insert the hook into the circle. Then make another 4 chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we are going to turn this, and then we are going to make a double crochet here. So make 3 double crochets, 2, 3, and then make 1 chain and insert the hook here, or we are going to make a double crochet here. And we are going to make 3 double crochets. Make 2 chains. Then again we are going to make a double crochet here. So make 3 double crochets. So 2, 3. Then chain 1 and make a double crochet here. So make 3 double crochets. And chain 1 and make another double crochet. After that, we are going to make 4 chains, 3, 4, and turn and insert the hook here to make a double crochet. So we'll add another 3. So 2, 3. After that, make 1 chain and make a 3 double crochet into this hole. 2, 3. So chain 1 and insert the hook on this hole. Make 3 double crochets. 2, 3. And then make 2 chains, 1, 2, and then insert the hook again on this hole and make 3 double crochets. So make 1 chain, insert the hook on this hole and make 3 double crochets, 2, 3, chain 1, insert the hook into this hole, make 3 double crochets, 2, 3, make a chain 1 and make another double crochet. So we will just repeat the process. So chain 4 and turn, insert into this hole, and then make 3 double crochets. 3, make 1 chain and insert into this hole, make 3 double crochets, 2, 3, chain 1 then insert into this hole and make another 3 double crochets, 2, 3, chain 1, and insert into this hole to make another 3 double crochets, 2, 3, and then chain 2, and we will just make another 3 double crochet into this hole, chain 1, insert into this hole, make 3 double crochets, chain 1, make another 3 double crochet into this hole, 2, 3, chain 1, and make a 3 double crochet into this hole. After that, make 1 chain, so chain 1 and make another double crochet into this hole. So we will just repeat the process and make another 4 chains. So this is how it will look like. So we just repeat the process until we have reached this the width. And then after that, we are going to make after that we have finished this, we will just make single crochets in here on this area, make single crochets, and then after that make a chain here for the tie, this one. So I hope you like this video, and if you do, please leave a thumbs up and please do subscribe to my channel. So thanks for watching, see you again next time, and bye.